As churches on a budget, finding those free yet quality resources is like a gold mine, and our church worship backgrounds are no exception. So in this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite resources for finding quality church motion backgrounds for free, but it's not even just church motion backgrounds, it's like a ton more. What's happening, everybody? I'm Sam DeZeo, and this is Smart Design, where we focus on making church media simple and communicating the timeless gospel in the 21st century. So, question of the day, what resources have you found useful for your church worship backgrounds? Let us know down in the comments below, and check out what other people are using as well. And it might help you out, and might be something that I've never even heard of. The congregation as a whole spends a lot of time during our worship services looking up at those projection screens to see the lyrics during our worship services. So this is kind of a prime spot that we want to make sure looks great. But most of us are kind of working on a budget, so finding these free resources isn't just nice, it's a necessity. But here's the issue. Finding free resources that are modern and not cheesy and also not distracting yet also free, I mean, they are few and far between. So I wanted to share with you this golden nugget that I found when it comes to resources for your church, and that is Church Media Drop. Church Media Drop is an awesome resource, and they are not paying me to say any of this. I just love what they are doing. Church Media Drop's mission is to create this collection of free media resources from your church. And it's all curated by professionals, and it's actually created by professionals in the church space. So it's created by the church for the church. And the big thing is, it's all free. They've got way more than just motion backgrounds, and I highly recommend that you go ahead and check out what kind of motion backgrounds they have. I really like this low poly design that Pixel Preacher put together. I really like this smoke design. There's a ton of modern and non-distracting elements for your worship backgrounds. But here's the thing, I even took some notes because these numbers are awesome. So remember, all of this is free. They've got 200 different packs of worship backgrounds. They've got over 170 sermon series packages. They've got 35 bumper videos. They've got over 100 social media graphics that you could just download and use for your social media. And I mean, they've got a ton more, and this is all created by local churches. Like this one, like I mentioned, is created by Pixel Preacher. Alex Watson is the founder of that, and he was actually on the show giving us some tips when it comes to sermon series design. You can click that up in the card. But these are all quality content created by professionals. So this is a resource that I don't think you should just use. I think you should contribute to it as well. If you have something that you feel super proud of and passionate about, go ahead and submit it, upload it, so we can all contribute to this platform of helping the local church with free media, because a lot of churches are on a budget, so a lot of churches really need this resource. If you want to learn how to make your own worship backgrounds, then I've got the video just for you. So go ahead and click right here, and don't forget to subscribe, because we have a new video out every single week making church media simple and communicating the timeless gospel in the 21st century.